Hey everyone, want to do a quick how-to and overview on this keyless entry door lock. This is an electronic door lock with a keypad. Very easy to put in. You're just going to remove your old one and then put the deadbolt in for the new one, attach everything. Like I said, super easy, very convenient. Love the fact that I do not have to have a key for this. And so it was easy to set up the keypad after I had everything installed, and just like the fact that, like I said, I don't have to have a key and my kids can get in, no problem. I don't have to worry about missing keys or anything like that. So very cool, easy to install, easy to use. Definitely something I would recommend if you are looking into a keyless entry door lock.